Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley if you're new here. I'm 23 and today I'm gonna go over my Sephora order slash what I recommend you buy, because if you didn't know, it's a Sephora Spring Sale Insider. So depending on what level you are member there, they have 3 tiers and I'm the top, so I get 20% off. So I'm gonna pick up a few things, and I also wanted to recommend a few things. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. It means a lot, and I'll just get right to it. So I love Sephora, and I usually stock up on, or when they have their sales. Yeah, I typically buy a good amount on their sales because you are saving a good amount of money. So I'll first start with skincare. I'm probably going to pick up another one of these, which is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. So this has really helped my face clear up from acne and just breakouts in general, so I really recommend that. I'll probably pick up another skincare favorite is the INKEY Salicylic acid cleanser. This I really like. Only, I think it's like $8 or something. It's very cheap, and it works super well. So that one, if you're looking for a new cleanser. Another skincare favorite is this Maran Anti-Redness Serum. This one definitely helps my skin when I'm having a flare-up of acne, because it typically is a little bit red and it calms my face down. Next thing I recommend, I do love this Maran Argan oil, 100% pure argan oil. It's great when your face is dry, or this will hydrate your face. So if you have drier skin, this is definitely good. I don't even have dry skin, but I just like putting this on at night. My face feels like a bit like it needs a bit more moisture. Is the Cloud Dew Oil Gel Cream. This is new and I love it. It's so amazing. It makes your skin so glowy, and I put that on during the day, and it's perfect for summer and spring when it's warmer out. So if you're looking for a moisturizer, I definitely recommend this one by Summer Fridays. Also, their lip balm. Oh, I need to pick up another one. I probably will. Their butter balm, super nice, hydrating. And then for a lip mask, I like the Tatcha lip mask. I put this on at night before I go to sleep. My lips are nice and moisturized and plump. Another Ren product that I like is this Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. So I like to use this one when I've been wearing my mask a lot that day. So at night I'll put this on if I've been wearing my mask for hours, and especially if I've put makeup on. And then more mask, this is definitely needed. So this helps my skin with the moisture barrier and just keep it nice and interesting texture. It's kind of like bouncy, and I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, it's like a bouncy texture, and it kind of looks like an oil. It feels super nice on the skin. Next item is Saint Tropez. This is, I guess it's kind of skincare. This self tanner, I really like this one. This one looks the best on my skin tone personally. So if you need some more self tanner, pick that up during the sale. I really like this. It's not too dark, but it's very, you can build it up nice easily, and it looks very natural. So that's a great self tanner. This mask is one of my probably my favorite mask in general. That's the Drunk Elephant TLC Ukari Baby Facial. This one I always pick up. I usually pick this up during the sale because it is a little bit more expensive. I think it's around $80. So I really like how it just makes my skin nice and more radiant. Another mask that is good is the Summer Fridays R&R mask. That's what it is. The Summer Fridays R&R mask. That one is like a hydrating rose scented. It's wonderful. It smells amazing, and my skin is always so soft after. So I recommend picking up that one if you're looking for like a hydrating face mask. Next item is hair. This is dry shampoo. It's a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo, and I love this. It's probably like my 5th bottle. I typically pick it up during the sale. They also have like value size, not always, but they'll have this and a mini size together, mini travel size together, usually for the same price as just one of these, so I typically will buy that. Two primers that I really like are both by Becca. The Becca Backlight Priming Filter and Becca Instant Complexion Refresh. Definitely pick up these because Becca is sadly closing in September, so you do want to pick up your favorites before they're not available anymore. I really like these primers. This one just kind of evens out your skin tone and it's hydrating, and then this one's very glowy, which I like, so both of those are good. Another Becca product that's you should pick up is their highlighter. It's the Becca Champagne Pop. Everyone talks about this. It's great. Definitely pick it up. Foundation. I have, so first is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This one is a bit more full coverage, medium to full coverage, and I really like how this makes everything look clear, and it looks really good on the face. So this one is I always wear if I want a bit more coverage. And then next is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I love this foundation. It's probably my favorite. It just makes your skin look amazing. It just looks dewy but not too dewy, and it like clears everything out, and it's very lightweight but also still has coverage. I love this foundation. Could not recommend that enough. It is a bit more pricey, so that's why you should pick it up during the sale. Another foundation that I recently bought, which I really like, is the Sephora Best Skin Ever. This is $20, but I definitely recommend this foundation. This is very similar to the Armani, I would say. Maybe a little bit lighter on the face. Beautiful coverage. The next is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. This is tinted moisturizer. It has SPF 30. This one is great for every day, especially in the summer when you don't want anything too heavy on your face. It just makes your skin kind of look glowy and nice and moisturized. It's super lightweight. I really like this because it kind of just evens out your face without giving too much coverage. So this is great for every day during the summer and spring. Another one that I recommend is the Josie Maran Protect and Perfect Radiance, and it's broad spectrum 47. That one just makes your skin look super glowy. And so if you want a tinted moisturizer with it has like a, yeah, it has a nice glow, bronzy glow to it is how I would describe it. If you want more SPF, this one's amazing. A mascara that I usually pick up during the sale is the Benefit Roller Lash. This one is a great mascara. Makes your lashes look really long and thick and beautiful, and it curls it, so that's also a plus. I recommend picking up this Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I got the mini one. I don't really think you would need much bigger. It's a pretty good size, so if you want to get a bigger one you could, but this size is perfect. It also has a highlight and a bronzer. Both are great. Two other highlights I have is, one is, I'm pretty sure this is a new product. It's the Sephora Clean Glowing Multi-Stick, and it's just like a stick highlighter. It's very pretty. It gives a really pretty dewy look. And I think it's only, yeah, it's only $10, so really great product. Another one of the same concept is the Tower Beauty 28. It has no shade, it's just clear. It's like a little balm. And it's really nice. It looks like your face is just super dewy naturally without any glitter or sparkle. So if you don't really like the glitter or sparkly look, this is a great product. It's the Super Dew shade. Next, I have two powders. One is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Great. One's great for baking. Another one that I really like is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It's just a light pink color, and it feels wet when you apply it to your face. And I just think that's really cool, and it looks nice on the face. It doesn't look cakey or dry or anything. A couple palettes I have are two Tarte palettes. I love Tarte palettes. I love this Tartelette in Bloom palette. It has great, the colors are just so versatile, and I feel like it's very everyday makeup look. It's lots of neutrals but also has some sparkle, so if you're looking for like a new everyday palette, this one's great. And then the Toasted one's a bit more orangey, so if you want some more warmer tones. Two other makeup or eyeshadow palettes are both Anastasia Beverly Hills. First is the Modern Renaissance one. I love the selection of color in this one, and the Soft Glam one, which is also beautiful colors. These have the shades and pigments are really nice in these, and you can create multiple different looks. I just love these eyeshadows. Are very nice and easy to blend, and it also comes with a brush, which is nice. One other item that is great is a lip product. It's a Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Gloss. This will make your lips look like they got filler in them. They will poof up, and it burns a little, but wow, it does its job. It does what it says it will. And they have more colors of this. I have a clear, and I may pick up a different color. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm going to go into some of the items that I haven't bought yet, but I'm going to pick up. So the first one, I'll put a picture of it here, is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Because it has really nice pastel colors, and I really want to do some more colorful pastel eyeshadow looks. I think they look super cool. And this one had different pastel colors rather than just like shades of pink or shades of blue. This one had purple, peach, hot pink, teal. So I think it'd be fun to play around with that eyeshadow. Next is not a new item, but it will be a repurchase. It's the Beauty Blender Besties Makeup Sponge and Cleanser Set. And it's $20 for all of that, which is the same price as just a Beauty Blender. So I always use this to clean my makeup brushes. I like it. Another new thing that I'm going to pick up, I believe, is the Saie, S-A-I-E, I think it's pronounced Saie, is the Dew Balm Bouncy Marshmallow Highlighter. That one looks really nice, and I'll probably pick it up in the Bronze Nectar shade. I haven't tried that brand, so I'm excited to try that. Another skincare product that I may pick up is the Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidants Cleanser. I've heard a lot of great things. Hiram talks about it all the time, how amazing it is. So I'll probably pick that up during the sale because it is a more expensive cleanser. I may pick up a new perfume as well. I kind of want to try new perfume. I'm not sure which one yet. I need to look and see which sparked my interest. I really do like the replica perfume, so I may try one of those, because those are also more on the pricey end, so definitely worth buying during the sale. I'm going to order the Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Bronzer. I think I may try the Ilia under eye setting powder, or just their setting powder. I've heard good things about it. I haven't tried it yet, so I may pick that up because I know it has some better ingredients than the Laura Mercier setting powder. I think that's all that I'm going to pick up for now. Yeah, that's what I recommend / would pick up at the Sephora sale, the spring Sephora sale. The first level is 10% off, and then the second level is 15% off, and then third level is 20% off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recommendation of what to buy at Sephora during their spring sale. I hope it's helpful to you guys, and if you could subscribe down below, that would be wonderful. And thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely do a first impressions / tryout of all the products that I pick up at Sephora to show you guys how they are. Hope you have a great day, and bye!